Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyelash tutorial. These are the new E.L.F. lashes that they came out with. They're only $1 or $2 more from their regular price lashes. These are multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length. These are very unique. This is a collaboration, it looks like. It says Wing Hang and Luxe Lash Kit. I'm gonna pull that camera really close so you guys can see what it looks like. Now, as you can see in video, I have one eye with eyeliner on and one eye without eyeliner. So you guys can see what it looks like both ways. So let's go ahead and just open this up real quick and show you guys up close what they look like. They come with a little tweezer thing. Little plastic gadget here. Okay, you guys can see the end of the lashes, how they're really like beautifully tapered, and they have like different layers, as you can see there. They're absolutely gorgeous looking. This is the band really up close. I'm gonna trim them and show you what they look like on the eye. I just wanna show you guys this real quick. So there is so much adhesive already on it, and it's so sticky that I think I can just apply that directly to the eye like that. Adhesive, this is just all the adhesive, and look how strong it is when you pull it out of the package, out of the pack. It is super strong. Let me take off that little hair. So let's go ahead and place this one on. That's how you use it. I actually have difficulty using an applicator like this, so I'm gonna go get my handy dandy blue one that I have here. I'll post a link down below if you guys want to check out this blue lash tool. Okay, so I have it on like that, and we're just gonna pop it down. Wow, look at that. Side profile. Okay, I'm gonna pop these off because, yeah, the adhesive doesn't last on it. There's just so much freaking adhesive on these lashes. You guys can see, like, there's so much. I'm gonna use my Duo Glue in black here. Wait till this gets tacky and pop them back on. Okay, so this is just really bothering me. I mean, you get it off and you're fine, but there is so much adhesive on these lashes. Can you see? Look at this right here. Right here. Like the adhesive even is like, look at that. You see that shine? Look how far down the adhesive goes onto the lashes. So this is a little bit pain in my butt here. You gotta hold the band, hold the lashes so they don't get jacked up. And then you have to pull off that adhesive from the actual lashes. Look at this. Now, a lot of lashes have adhesive, but this is actually just a lot more than what I'm used to. Okay, so this is the eyes. With eyeliner, without eyeliner. I'm gonna pull you out further so you guys can see it. Okay, now I can honestly say, now I understand why some people don't wear eyeliner with certain lashes, because look at this. This is the one with eyeliner on. I always have eyeliner on when I wear lashes, and you can see, like, my other eye looks like it has eyeliner on because the band is so thick. Now the band is more flexible. The only issue I really have is that there is so much flippin' adhesive on these lashes that you do have to work with it and pull off all that adhesive. Look at this. So what do you guys think? Doesn't it look like I have eyeliner right here and I don't? I think I'm gonna pull you a little bit closer. Ooh. And I think these are absolutely stunning, stunning lashes. This is the first time I've worn a band this thick, honestly. But I think it looks really pretty. And from the side profile right there, side profile right here, you guys can see, like, they look very, like, feathery. But they are a very thick lash. And by far, these are not a natural eyelash, but they are absolutely stunning. If you guys like wearing a more of a thicker lash throughout the day, I think these are gorgeous. And for the price point, I think they're well worth it. If I can find a link to these lashes, I'll post it down below. If not, I believe I got these at Target. They're just a few dollars. But tell me, do you guys like how they look? Would the adhesive part bother you as much as it bothered me? I don't know. You guys let me know down below in the comment section. But while you're down there, if you could, hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and a tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.